Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be taking an in-depth look at the forex broker HF markets. We will look at their offerings, their advantages, and also their disadvantages. So if you are a trader in Nigeria and you are already considering HF markets as your primary broker, this video is for you. So the first and probably the most important thing you want to know before selecting a broker is if they are licensed by the country's regulatory body. Unfortunately for us, forex is not regulated in Nigeria. So we have to know if HF Markets has a Tier 1 license. A quick look at their regulations and license page, and you will see a couple of licenses there. The one we are interested in is the license from the FCA, that is the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK. You can see here that they are licensed and have a reference number of 801701. If you are still not satisfied and want even more proof, you can simply copy this reference number and go to the FCA register website and paste it in the search bar and hit enter. It will return HF Markets details with the reference number matching that on the website. So now that we are sure that HF Markets is regulated and legit, let us look at some other important things. This time, their market offerings. HF Markets gives you access to over 500 CFD markets to trade, including forex, metals, stocks, indices, commodities, bonds, and ETFs. For forex, they have major currencies like the Euro USD, the British Pound USD, and others, as well as other minor and exotic pairs too. For metals, they only offer gold against the US dollar and gold against the euro. So if you want to trade other metals like silver, HF Markets is probably not for you at the moment. For stocks, you have a plethora of international stocks of big and popular companies to trade on the platform. Same goes for indices. You have access to 12 indices, including the US Tech 100 and the UK 100. Just like metals, bonds are also very limited on HF Markets. You only have access to the Euro bond, the UK gilts, and the US 10-year Treasury notes. For energy, you are also limited to only the UK Brent oil and the US crude oil offerings. So if you want more than that, you might also need to look elsewhere. HF Markets also gives you access to trade commodities like cocoa, sugar, coffee, copper, and cotton, which are great but not as extensive as some other brokers. Then finally on CFDs, they allow you to trade ETFs and you have access to quite a number of them. Now that you have an idea of what you can trade on HF Markets, it is also important to know the types of accounts they offer and if they will align with your trading strategies. So HF Markets offers 5 main account types and an additional top-up account and a demo account. The entry-level account on HF Markets is the Cent account. This account gives you access to leverage of up to 1 to 2,000 and spread starting from 1.2 pips. On the Cent account, you can only trade forex and metal CFDs, and you can only have an account in USD. The good thing is that this account has no minimum deposit or commission, especially on forex CFDs, so you can start trading with very little funds. The Pro Plus, and Premium accounts are quite similar, with all three giving you access to all available CFDs, and you can also have your accounts either in USD or Naira. They are all commission free, and just like the Cent accounts, they all have a maximum leverage of 1 to 2,000. The difference between these accounts can be seen in their spreads and minimum deposits, with the Pro account coming with a spread starting from 0.6 pips and a minimum deposit of 50,000 Naira, while the Pro Plus account has its spread starting from 0.2 pips with a minimum deposit of 200,000 Naira, and the Premium account comes with spread starting from 1.2 pips and no minimum deposits at all. The Zero account has similar features to the others, but it is quite different. While it also has a maximum leverage of 1 to 2,000, no minimum deposits, and a USD and Naira account, it comes with a spread of 0 pips but a $3 a side commission on every trade. The other proper trading accounts available is the top-up bonus accounts. These accounts has features like USD and Naira-based accounts, no minimum deposits, no commission on trades, and a 1 to 1,000 maximum leverage. This account spread starts from 1.4 pips, which is the highest of the entire account lineup. The final account available is the demo account. This account basically gives you the opportunity to practice your trading skills in a real-world environment without risking any real money. It is always advisable to use this account to learn before moving to a real account. And also, when you eventually move to the real account, do not let overconfidence take over you. Remember that the funds you were using in the demo account wasn't real, so just be very careful. If you are a Muslim or you observe Sharia laws or you just don't want to incur extra cost on trades, HF Markets has you in mind. All of their accounts are swap free, meaning regardless of the account you decide to go with, you are guaranteed your trades will not carry extra fees. It is worth noting to read their terms and conditions to be familiar with the swap free rules so you don't lose this status. So all of these accounts that HF Markets offers are tailored to traders with specific needs and experience. You should study them carefully and find out the ones that suit you the most so you do not have any trouble in your trading journey. Now, having access to these accounts is great, but how convenient is it to fund them and withdraw your earnings? So to deposit on HF Markets, there are actually a few methods you can use. There are a couple of direct bank transfer methods, an e-wallet funding method, and also crypto deposits. For the manual transfer, you can fund your trading accounts via your Access Bank, First Bank, Fidelity Bank, or Zenith Bank. I think they could do better with adding more banks to the list, but I guess this is what they have at the moment, and it is quite manageable. You also have the same options for withdrawing your funds, and you get your funds within 24 hours, depending on the method you choose. So another important thing you need to consider when choosing a broker is the trading platform they support or offer. HF Markets supports the popular MT4 and MT5 platforms, both on mobile and desktop, with their own proprietary application, which is only available on mobile. The platform is quite nice and easy to navigate and has features like the economic calendar to help you know when important events that could affect your trading position are coming up. It also gives you access to relevant news and HF Markets' very own analysis. Aside from the HF Markets platform, as I said earlier, you can also trade on mobile with either MT4 or MT5 apps, making it super easy and comfortable for you to trade wherever you are, as long as you have good internet connection. So apart from the economic calendar, news, and HF Markets analysis, HF Markets gives you access to several other tools, and one of them is Advanced Insights. This tool gives you access to real-time volatility analysis, advanced market insights, detailed event timeline, and others, in order to help you to be a better trader. They also have other tools like the Autochartist, which identifies 3 pattern types, monitors financial instruments 24/7, and helps you save time as it scans through tradable patterns automatically. And these are just some of the features of this particular tool. You also get an SMS service alert to keep you updated on your trades, and VPS hosting to access your trades from anywhere at any time. Another interesting tool HF Markets offers is the one-click trading feature. This basically allows you to execute a trade with just a single click, saving yourself a whole lot of time. They also offer several calculators for different operations. You have a calculator for pip value, for multi-targets, for pivot points, risk percentage, risk and reward, position size, swaps, and Fibonacci. Making use of these tools will definitely help you understand trading better and ultimately become a better trader. If you're a complete beginner, HF Markets actually has robust resources for you to get started and educated on forex trading. They have the forex trading e-course, where you can learn everything you need to know about forex, from basic things like currency pairs and forex prices all the way to trading strategies. HF Markets also hosts webinars frequently, and to their credit, in different languages. Obviously, only English is applicable to Nigerians, but it's still a nice thing they offer these webinars in multiple languages. If you are a visual learner and would prefer to watch videos rather than read, HF Markets also offers educational videos covering topics like forex essentials, trading essentials, the importance of central banking, trading psychology, and trading strategies. Aside from these detailed educational resources, HF Markets also provides you with a repository of economic releases, so you can go through them and get familiar. If you also have a question about trading, especially on HF Markets, they have a frequently asked questions section that addresses a host of questions for you. Moving on to another feature of HF Markets, which is copy trading. Copy trading basically means copying the trading strategies of successful traders from around the world. HF Markets gives you the opportunity to become a strategy provider yourself and also follow other strategy providers. You have to be careful here though, because forex is very volatile and can lead to severe losses, even when copied from professionals. Now, regardless of how great a product or service is, you would sometimes need assistance from the providers. You might need to sort out a deposit or withdrawal issue or some other type of technical issue that would require you speaking or contacting HF Market directly. So how easy or convenient is that? So your best bet as a Nigerian trader would probably be to reach out to them via email, which may take up to 24 hours for you to get a response. You can also reach out to their Nigerian office via their phone numbers available on their website. I tried their live chat feature a few times and it just didn't work out. But you could always give it a go since it is live chat and it is supposed to be the quickest way of reaching out to them. So that concludes our review of HF Markets. If you have been considering them and you learned something you are interested in here today, you should definitely try them out. So thank you for watching. Kindly like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel so you will not miss out on future forex content aimed to help you in your trading journey. Until next time, happy trading.